Hey guys and gals, Sweet Project Cars here. Today we're going to be talking about this mess right here. If you have bubbling rust and it's not through, you know if you sand that, you're going to open up a whole can of worms. All right, what we've got in this little cap right here is a secret concoction. I'm just kidding you. It's plain old blaster. That's all it is, PB blaster. You're going to take your syringe, which you already bought and have. These are so handy to have around. All these tools will be in the show more of the video description.
Buscar en el show más de la descripción de video para todas las herramientas.
You take your syringe. I've already filled it. You suck it up inside your syringe. You just take that and you poke it into the bubble. Just like this. And you get it up to the bubble, you twist a little bit, like a little tiny drill. Now this will take you a little bit to do, but you'll get it. And the main objective here is to get it into the top bubbles first. Now if you peel some of the paint back, don't worry about it. It'll soak down into all this down here without a problem. But we're going to do more of it just to show you. And then if you get one that's tougher to do, you just turn like a little drill, like I mentioned. But this will stop that rust so it doesn't grow anymore on you. Then you can go and save the money up to get it fixed permanently. A lot of people don't have a lot of money right now. And you can brace the needle if you have to. Then I like to take and squirt it right in here, right along the seam. And as I'm doing it, I'm kind of scratching the paint a little bit inside there. This will work wonders. You will not have to worry about it. You could take nursing school. I'm just doing extra areas to show you, but really all you have to do is the top. Okay, now you can see the little spots that I actually chipped the paint away at. You don't have to worry about it because it will not rust anymore. You're going to redo this someday anyhow, but at least you've stopped this from rusting on the surface. I know a lot of you have asked for a lot of videos. We want to try to get to all those. It's going to be a really crazy 2018 summer. Finally, we've got a 70-degree day today. So here we go. Keep smiling. Glad you're here with us. Come back again. Take care, ladies and gentlemen.